blame it all on Drake. He's the one who got us thinking love was something fake.
Okay guys, can you even see us? I don't know, but we're back here. We're back. Some kitty's back. That was awkward. I've never
I
seen
hope
that
you
again.
can hear us. I feel like we're far.
You're good, you're good. What the fuck? You didn't invite us.
I like how they left their car open and like the toy on the road. Like,
I don't understand.
Did they get kidnapped? What's going on?
Okay.
It's been like that for like the whole time we've been here.
Honestly, I don't understand, like,
That seems dangerous.
rich neighborhoods, they don't give a shit about anything. Like, they'll leave their windows down, they have their toys all over the fucking yard. Like,
You're like, oh, those people are giving away basketballs. I'm like, no, that's just where they keep them, in the street, because no one will steal them from here. Except me, you know.
yeah. It's like, what? Because, like, I have to look at them and be like, I get a free basketball today.
I'm the only one who's like a little bit paranoid. I park like as far as I can from the street so no one will like come in the middle of the night to get my gas. Like, no one's gonna do that. They happened once, but
Really? To your car?
not to me, to like people with the brown house there.
Oh.
They like slashed their tires and then like sucked out the gas.
That's personal. You're fine. Don't worry. That's personal. This is why we're tie-dyeing. This intro's a mess. Look how cute. Okay.
It's what you're doing called tie-dyeing too?
I might bleach mine. I kind of like it black.
And I don't know if at this point you've already seen the reveal from last time,
Oh, yeah.
but my beautiful pants, I should have taken a picture before I rinsed them. Because
Honestly.
it was so pretty, like prettier than it was here, like it all melted together perfectly.
Yeah. I think you have it on your camera though.
Maybe,
I hope.
hopefully. But yeah, they turned out white again because it didn't stick to the material, so hopefully
It really sucks.
this has to be the right material, right?
It feels like it. It feels like cotton.
100% cotton.
We're Gucci. I like how every time I come over, I just look like a dude. Like, you don't even see my butt. I'm just here, like a summer camp. Am I okay? I don't know. I'm gonna cut it out.
What happened? Oh.
There, that's it.
What if they came back and they're like, oh my gosh, someone broke into our car and took all our scooters and, like, can you even be surprised if you left your car open for half an hour?
We're just there filming a YouTube video. So we found a new background. Welcome to my car tour. I'm bleaching this red shirt and this pink one to hopefully be white or something like that. So let's do it. So this part was turning pretty cool earlier. And then this one, I'm hoping it will get lighter because I want it to be like white. So, also it smells so much like bleach. I should probably go to the hospital after this. So, yes, that's my update. So Ilona had the best idea ever of putting handprints all over it. Like, what the fuck? So, yes. Now we're gonna try to time lapse. Dope.
Oh gosh, that's a lot.
Okay, so it's a couple weeks later. Sorry. First off, I'm gonna go on a tangent because I don't understand what's happening. It's been like 3 years since I've graduated high school and I still have dreams of missing the bus and having to walk home. Why? I just don't understand why. Someone please tell me. Why? Okay, anyway. Also, if any of you are going to H2O, I will be there in a red Mustang, Mach 1. I don't know what year. There's my friend's car. So, if you're going, I will be going and I'll be vlogging. So, say hi if you're there. I doubt any of you are going, but yes. It's a car show, by the way. I think we're going to start out with the Hollister one. So this is how it turned out. Oh, I should probably mention, this shirt is from Kohl's. It's like black tie-dye with some... Okay, so the first one, this Hollister hoodie. This is how it turned out. Here's the back. Should I do a try-on haul? That could be fun. Will I remember? I'm not sure, but let's try. Oh my god. Did that even work? Let's try that again. I don't know how to pose. Oh my god. Okay, bye. Next, I did this bleaching one on this Gettysburg hoodie. It has like some handprints on it. And then just like the splatter detail. This one looks really cool on camera. And then the back is just a whole lot of fucking bleach. That's that one. We'll try that one on too, I guess. Oh my god, you can see my fucking pajamas. Sorry. Also, I'm like looking at the viewfinder. I'm sorry, I'm wearing my pajamas. Just fucking deal with it, okay? Back to what I was saying. When I poured a lot of bleach in this tub, like I poured so much bleach that when I was rinsing it out, I cried my eyeliner and mascara off. Like, I was dying. Okay, so this one did like deteriorate my clothing quite a bit. Okay, but this is that Nike hoodie. Also, look at the back. Like, what is that like purple thing? I kind of like it that it's distressed, but like it's a lot. There's not much fabric left on this thing, so we're gonna have to like sew in some fabric, which will be fine. Can literally see my bra, but it's fine, whatever. How do YouTubers pose? I think that's all of them. Yeah. Will I do some tie-dyeing in the future? Probably. I can't find any fucking white sweatpants anywhere. Also black sweatpants. So I'm gonna have to try Walmart. I tried Target and like they're not there. And I don't understand why. Like, I just want some white sweatpants and black sweatpants to dye and bleach. But they're like nowhere to be found. Like, I Pinterest some cute ass tie-dyed sweatpants. And that's all I want in the world. Like, I need like 5 pairs to dye. And I can't find any fucking sweatpants. I'm gonna end the video. Bye bitches. Peace out fuckers. I'll see you in my next video. That was cringy. Okay, bye.